Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Realme 12x. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow in two first apps. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now hit send next to selected at the bottom of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of Realme. Also on Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Now hit send next to selected at the bottom. Click on got it in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by entering this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait for your devices to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!